This video is created by Learnica students, Anjali Mengrajani and Vanita Nehalani. Today, in this video, we're going to show you how a dairy cooperative turned into the world's 9th largest dairy company that we all know as Amul. So, stay with us till the end of this video to find out some amazing facts about a brand that grew from being a tiny firm to a huge brand. But before starting, here's a fun fact for you. Amul's name is associated with the Sanskrit word, Amulya, and it shows the world they are really invaluable as Amul gives 80% of its earnings to the farmers, who form the backbone of Amul. Unlike any other corporate company, Amul is kept by villagers who contribute tirelessly to the cooperative company. Now let us tell you from where it all started. Introduction and background. It all began in 1946, when Polson, a well-established dairy setup in Anand, started exploiting the Indian dairy farmers. The hard work of the farmers was not well compensated and the middlemen wiped out the money which rightfully belonged to farmers, and that is when Tribhuvandas Kishibhai Patel decided to start a revolution to help the poor dairy farmers and the landless labourers. So he gathered numerous farmers and met Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who then suggested that they should form a cooperative of themselves. And thus, Kaira District Co-Usable Milk Producers Union, KDCMPUL, was formed. History. The Kaira District Milk Producers Union registered Amul Cooperative on the 19th of December 1946, and they started to supply milk directly to Bombay instead of Polson. But still, the milk collection was decentralized as most of the makers were minor farmers who could provide only 1 to 2 liters of milk each day, and were facing difficulties in pasteurizing milk. Pasteurizing is the process of heating raw milk to a specified temperature to kill organisms that may be found in the raw milk. By law, all dairy farmers can sell milk only after the process of pasteurizing. Parallelly, Amul was also facing technological difficulties, and that is when Dr. Varghese Kurian stepped in. He finished his degree from Michigan University and came back to India with a mission to help the poor and exploited farmers. In 1970, the White Revolution of India began, and during which Gujarat's Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited, GCMMF, was created to market milk and all milk products produced by unions in Gujarat. GCMMF is the main exporter of dairy products in India, and Amul is the umbrella brand for all of its exported products. Now let us tell you the key factors of how Amul became successful. The structure of the organization. Amul has a 3-tier cooperative structure wherein milk is collected at the village dairy society, obtained and processing is done at the district milk union, and marketed at the state milk federation. The importance of this model lies in the fact that Amul is the first company to follow this 3-tier cooperative structure. It was reciprocated all over the country under Operation Flood during the 1970s. This model ensures that there is efficiency and quickness in operations. With this, the Amul model has helped India become the 9th largest milk producer in the world. The Utali Butali Girl. The Amul Girl was strategically designed as the advertising mascot of the company to publicize, and this is how now everyone recognizes the brand. The brand has been cleverly using the cartoon figure in its longest-running advertising campaign, to establish a component of humor into its print ads. The content is liked by the people and leads to better customer engagement. This has helped Amul increase its brand recall value. Learnica has taken a great initiative to educate people on digital marketing with zero upfront fees and guaranteed placements. Yes, you heard it right, pay only after you're placed. No placements, no fees. For more information, visit learnica.com, the link can be found in the description box below. Innovation and diversification of products. Amul has been innovating for a long time, be it launching new products, creative marketing campaigns, or challenging trends. In the 1960s, Amul became the first brand to make skimmed milk powder from buffalo's milk. The brand has been awarded the CNNIBN Innovating for Better Tomorrow Award, and World Dairy Innovation Award, for its continuous innovation. With its diversified product portfolio, Amul has always been able to cater to the desires of all the segments. From Amul ice creams for kids to Amul Cool for teenagers to the classic Amul milk for the elders, the company has ensured that it introduced products for every segment, giving quality products to all its target segments, and this is the reason why Amul has been able to develop a strong brand association with its customers over the years. Now let's jump on to some interesting facts and figures. In 1999, Amul received Best of All Rajiv Gandhi National Quality Award for maintaining the utmost level of quality in its products. Due to his contribution, Dr. Kurian is fondly known as the Milkman of India and the father of the milk revolution, and his birthday is celebrated as National Milk Day on November 26. Google also paid a tribute to Dr. Kurian by placing him on the Google search doodle. Amul is also awarded with the Guinness World Record for the longest running advertising campaign. Over the years, Amul has become a multinational company by selling its products in over 40 countries, which includes the United States, Japan, China, etc. On top of that, in India alone, it has more than 7,200 outlets. Amul disclosed a 17% expansion in its turnover to 38,542 crore rupees in the year 2019-20. Its rapid expansion has enabled it achieve record a turnover nearly 5 times higher in 2010 from 8,000 crore rupees to 38,000 crore rupees in the year 2020. Amul said that it aims to reach a group business turnover of 1 lakh rupees crore by 2024-25. Conclusion. Amul in all its sense has proved us that it is Amulya, which means priceless for our nation, as it has transformed the Indian dairy industry like never before. Amul changed the lives of the many poor farmers and also took our nation to the new heights. Lastly, Amul has aced the marketing and advertising arena as well, and this can be seen in the ads in which Amul Girl is associated with the current trends, thus making it viral. These are some of our favorites in which she was associated. When Amitabh Bachchan beat COVID. Associated with some of the sensational songs in the Bollywood by using phrases like Badtameez Dil and Swad Se Swagat. Associating with some famous cricketers. Now it's your turn to tell us your favorite Amul ad in the comment section. Also, we would like you to ask one fun question. Do you know what's the full form of Amul? Please post it in the comment. For more amazing content, subscribe to the channel Case Study by Learnica, like, comment and share the video to motivate our students. Thank you.